Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Use an active Google account and enable billing because the kit needs a project with billing tied. Install the Cloud SDK now and open a terminal. This gives you G-Cloud, G-Suite, and component managers. Once done, authenticate with G-Cloud Auth Login and set your project with G-Cloud config set project ID so subsequent commands target the right project. Make sure to enable the APIs you plan to use before continuing. Next, download and configure the Cloud Kit components you need. Update the SDK and install extras like Beta, App Engine, or Cloud Build. Once installed, run G-Cloud init to set credentials, default zone, and region. This avoids repetitive flags later. Create or attach service accounts with least privilege roles, then generate and securely store keys if non-interactive access is required. After that, clone the sample repositories and run initial deployment, commands to verify the environment. To finish, deploy a minimal test app or run a dry run to confirm everything works. This validates permissions, APIs, and command flow. Make sure IAM roles match your intended access and that quotas and billing show active. If something fails, check G-Cloud logs, enable verbosity debug, and inspect the specific API error. Often it's a missing API, role, or billing issue. Retry after fixing the identified problem, and then proceed to full deployments once the test succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.